Hello everyone, myself Dr. Vipul M. Patel from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus, Junagadh. We are meeting again here for the new chapter of Manufacturing Technology, Semester 5, Department of Mechanical Engineering. See, in this subject, we will start another chapter, or new chapter, that is number 3, called metal joining processes. And in this lecture we will learn about the different topics today we will cover the topics like principle of welding, soldering, brazing, then welding and allied processes, and classification of welding and allied processes. See, this chapter is one of the most important chapter from this subject, and another thing that is the important manufacturing or joining processes that we will cover in this chapter. And for the mechanical engineers, this type of all joining processes are very much important to study. And first of all, we are going to start principle of welding, soldering and brazing. So joining includes welding, brazing, soldering, adhesive bonding of the materials. So this all the process we can include in the joining process, because the main principle of this all process is that is joining of more than two materials, two components, two items, or one items. If then we can say joining of two parts of this particular item or component. They produce a permanent joints between the parts to be assembled. They cannot be separated easily by the application of the forces, and they are mainly used to assemble many parts to make a system. If we are preparing a machine, so what is the definition of the machine? Machine is a combination of mechanisms. So like that, one or more parts, if you want to assemble with the use of these different joining processes, then we can easily join this if any metal or material we want to join. So what is welding? Welding is a metal joining process in which two or more parts are joined or coalesced at their contacting surface by suitable application of heat and pressure. It is welding process. So if we want to join one or two or more parts, then we can easily perform the welding operations. Suitable application of heat and pressure we have to use, which is called welding apparatus. Okay. Then principle of the brazing. It is also a joining process in which a filler metal is melted and distributed by capillary action between the fine, or we can say contacted surface of this particular parts, those we want to join, or metal parts being joined. Base material does not melt in brazing, only the filler metals. So in the welding process, those material you want to join, also we can use the filler metal as an electrode. But in the brazing, no base material will be melt in this brazing process. Only filler metals will be melt between those two parts or contacted surface of this particular two parts. It is brazing. Soldering. It is also similar to a brazing, or we can say it is also a joining process, and can be defined as a joining process in which a filler metal with melting point, in bracket liquidus, it is most important word to understand the soldering, not exceeding 450 degrees Celsius is melted and distributed by capillary action between the fine surface of the metal parts being joined. Soldering. In simple language, we can say it renew. This type of soldering process we can use to join the different wires, cables, circuits, etc. So it is the principle of the soldering. Welding and allied processes. Introduction about the welding and allied processes. Welding is a material joining process that we already discussed in the previous lecture, in which two or more parts are joined together at their contacting surface by a suitable application of the heat or pressure. But sometimes parts are united together by application of the pressure only without external heat. Sometimes parts are united together by the application of the pressure only without external heat. So there is no requirement of the heat. Some parts, some components, some items also we can join with the use of the application of the pressure only. So there is no requirement of the heat in some industries, some component. In some welding process, a filler metal is added to the facilitated coalescence. Understand? In arc welding, we are using filler metal as an electron. Right? Welding is most commonly associated with the metallic parts, but for plastic also it is used. If you want to join the wood with the use of the welding process, then we can't join it. In most of the cases, commonly, or we can say welding is the commonly associated with the metallic parts. Now, important question to be asked in your examination, and many times it has been asked already. Classification of the welding and allied processes. There are different joining processes: welding, brazing, solderings. There are different methods we are using to join the metal or material. Or we can say methods are being used in the industries to join or to fix the metals or alloys. There are different ways to classifying the welding and allied processes. The methods are many to join the metal or material, and different ways of so classifying the welding and allied processes. Classification can be done on the basis of the source of heat, fuel, types of interaction, or fusion welding or solid state welding, we can say that. So on the basis of that we can easily classify the welding and allied processes. Source of heat, which type of fuel we are using, interacted between this both surfaces of the different metal, same metal, which type of metal or material you want to join. On the basis of that we can easily classify the welding and allied processes. So welding processes generally we can classify the welding processes and allied processes that you can see. First of all, oxy-fuel gas welding processes. Air acetylene welding, oxy-acetylene welding, oxy-hydrogen welding, and pressure gas welding. So these all types of welding processes that we can include in the gas welding processes that you listen. And students, those who are from diplomas, who have already studied gas welding processes. So we can further classify this oxy-fuel gas welding processes into the 4 categories. With air and acetylene also we can weld the metal. If you want to join the metal with the use of the oxygen and acetylene, which is called oxy-acetylene welding, oxygen and hydrogen, which is called oxyhydrogen, and one more gas welding process is that we can perform with the use of the pressure application. It is called gas welding, pressure gas welding process. Second one, that is the arc welding processes. So in general purpose we are using this type of arc welding process, and I hope all of you have seen this process also. So hope you can easily understand that arc welding processes. First of all, carbon arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding, plasma arc welding, that is very most important arc welding, which is used in current scenario for the nice application in the industries. Plasma arc welding is then electro gas welding, electro slag welding, stud arc welding, and atomic hydrogen welding. All these different types of welding processes that we can include in the arc welding process. Then resistance welding. We will discuss in depth in the next video what is the importance of resistance welding and different types of resistance welding processes in depth. Spot welding, which is called resistance spot welding or known as RSW. Then seam welding, resistance seam welding also we can say that. Projection welding, resistance butt welding, flash butt welding, percussion welding, high frequency resistance welding, high frequency induction welding also. So these all 8 different types of resistance welding. Solid state welding processes. In that we can include different 7 types of weldings. Forge welding, cold pressure welding, friction welding, explosive welding, diffusion welding, cold pressure welding, and thermocompression welding. 5th one, that is a thermite welding process. In that only 2 different types of thermite weldings are there, that is thermite welding and pressure thermite welding. Then radiant energy welding processes. In that we can include laser welding and electro beam welding. Partially we can say that it is nearer to the non-conventional machining processes, laser and electro beam. Then allied process is metal joining or metal deposition process. Why it is called metal deposition? Because with the use of the filler metal we can easily add some metal or material in between 2 surfaces of this particular component or what we want to join. That is soldering, brazing, braze welding, adhesive bonding, metal spraying and surfacing. These all 6 types are allied process and that we can include in the metal joining or metal deposition processes. Thermal cutting process. We can cut the metal or material with the use of this process. It is arc and gas cutting. Arc cutting and gas cutting, right? Now, first of all, introduction about the gas welding. Sound weld is obtained by selecting the proper size of the flame, filler material and method of the moving torch. So we have seen the gas welding processes in which we are using a different 2 gases, and with the use of that we can easily produce the arc and we can join the metal or material with the use of that particular surfaces, right? For both we can use the gas welding processes, for which if you want to use gas welding in some metal or material with the use of the filler metal, then also we can use it. And if the temperature arise at the metal those we want to join, if we can burn that surface of this particular product or particular material, then also without filler metal we can use the gas welding. Another thing that is we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you very much.